Sup, it's Sydney. We hit 500,000. Boy. Or should I say girl? Because like 94% of you are girls, so like this video is kind of random and also just kind of an extra video, and I will be back with another actual video very soon. This video has 3 main purposes. The first is to thank you guys, which I'll get into in a second. The second is to explain why I changed my YouTube name. Wow. And the third is to freaking celebrate and give away some stuff. So if you want that to happen, you have to watch the whole video. It's like a law. I don't even know what to say about 500,000 subscribers. Words don't equate to what I'm feeling. Probably just quoted a rom-com, but I digress. Coming this far is so weird to me, especially since I started this my freshman year of high school, and now I'm a freshman in college. I actually just finished my first semester. How are you guys not bored of me yet? Okay, granted, a lot of you guys are newer subscribers, so I guess I haven't given you enough time to get bored of me, but if you've been here since the beginning or for a few years, how? YouTube has unintentionally become such a large part of my life, and so much of my life has changed way more than any of you guys know, just behind the camera personal stuff. But YouTube for me has only changed for the better, and there's no one that I can thank for that besides you guys. I will forever be indebted to you guys and just so grateful in general, because I feel like whenever other things in my life don't go my way, I have YouTube that I can trust and that so many other people really enjoy, and it just makes me feel so happy that I have that, because it's something I can always count on. I know that I'm such a sarcastic person, and even whenever I was writing out my original message thanking you guys on Instagram, I made like 4 jokes in it. But I just want you all to know that I genuinely care so much, and I wanted to thank all of you
from the bottom of my heart.
I feel like that scene from The Grinch where his heart just like grows because he like feels the love. I don't know why I just compared it to that scene, because that scene makes me super uncomfortable because I don't like organs or intestines or blood or any of that, so yeah, that's how I feel, but like in the best way possible. Whew, I feel like I just attended therapy or something. I'm never that in tune with my feelings. Anyway, as I'm sure you're all aware because it's the username you subscribe to me with, my username used to be beautyqueen18. Let's delve into 13/14-year-old Sydney's brain. I don't remember how old I was at the time, but like around there. The first part, aka the beauty part, made sense because that's the type of videos I thought that I was going to be making. I watched a lot of beauty gurus whenever I first started out, and my content was very similar to theirs. I was never super good at makeup or anything, but that's what I thought that I had to do, and that's what I kind of had an interest in because I was watching so many beauty videos, so we'll let that one slide. The queen part, I couldn't tell ya. I genuinely think that I selected queen because it rhymed with 18, which was the last part, and 18's my favorite number. It sounds so conceited and egotistical, like I had some sort of big head, and I swear I didn't, but I just thought that it flowed nicely. I've been wanting to change my name forever, probably since junior year of high school. It's just, it doesn't match me at all. I think most of you guys get that vibe from my videos, like I'm just, that ain't it. Especially more recently, I felt no attachment to that name at all. I was applying to colleges and I had that on my college applications, and I just remember typing out beautyqueen18 and being like, I even did a resume review and the advisor was like, beauty queen? And I was like, yep, that's me. It doesn't make sense because I don't make beauty videos. Like, yeah, I do an occasional haul and like routine or something, but I wouldn't say that my content is beauty related. New people come to my channel and they comment stuff like, why is this girl's name beautyqueen18? She doesn't even make beauty videos. And I'm like, I know. Have you seen my eyebrows? I have no idea what I'm doing. As much as I would love to have the talent of a beauty guru, I just don't. And I have other interests. We don't really know what they are. They're just kind of like everything. beautyqueen18 kind of put me in a box, so I wanted something all-encompassing, and so I landed on Sid's Vids because it has my name in it too, which is something that I wanted because so many people just call me beautyqueen18, even though I start every video with like, sup, it's Sid, but like, that's okay. I'm sorry if you don't like the new username or didn't want me to change it. I really had to do it. Apparently I couldn't let go of the rhyming thing because that's still there, but do you know what? It flows nicely and I like it, so that is that on that. We're gonna say sayonara to that and just have a quick moment of silence for the fallen. In the arms of the angel, fly away. Yeah, okay, that's enough. Now the part that you've all been waiting for, the actual giveaway portion. Yay, probably the only reason you clicked on this video. I'm gonna show you guys the prizes first because I want to, but then I'm gonna tell you the rules and how to enter, so make sure you listen very closely to that part because I'd be really sad if someone won and then I had to give it to someone else because they didn't follow the rules. There are going to be 2 sets of prizes. They are exactly the same, identical in size and color and all of that stuff. I just wanted to do 2 because 2 is better than 1. This is the main big prize of each giveaway. It's a fjallraven kanken in black. I have mine in green. It's actually right here. This is my fjallraven kanken. I got it over the summer and ever since then I've been obsessed and I really want the black one, but I saw it and I was like, nah, you guys deserve it. It's really durable, super cute obviously, it's water resistant. I've taken mine on a hike. I took it to college with me obviously. I'm bringing it back with college stuff. Like, it just goes everywhere with me. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. And then inside the backpack I decided to include some of my favorite items, you know, for funsies. I'm never saying that again. What? A pack of Urban Outfitters scrunchies. These are the velvet kind. This is actually my favorite pack of scrunchies ever. I own this exact pack except for the navy blue scrunchie because I used to own it and then I took it to a Penn State game and lost it. I'm jealous of whoever wins this because you get my favorite scrunchie and I don't, but I'm not salty, it was my own fault. I feel like a lot of you guys really like my college videos and obviously love my school, mad school spirit, so I had to get you something from Penn State. These are some really, really, really soft fuzzy socks. They're polka dotted. If you don't happen to be a Penn State fan, like say you're an Ohio State fan or a Michigan fan or a Pitt fan, sorry, but I'm not really sorry. Whatever you do, just don't disrespect my socks if you're not a Penn State fan. You can fold it down or you can just be pretend supportive because I like Penn State, so you should like Penn State. That's not how arguments work. And finally, the winner will also be receiving 2 of these little face masks. These are the metallic foil sheet masks, so 1 in rose gold and 1 in silver. So again, to clarify, this is 1 giveaway prize set. This is the other one. So all together, yay! I will also have all of the rules in the description along with the little thing that I have to put for YouTube to like be in accordance with their policies. Don't come for me, YouTube. I'm trying my best. You have to be subscribed to my channel. I feel like that's kind of fair because this is supposed to be a giveaway for my subscribers and kind of like a thank you. If you somehow stumbled across this video without being subscribed to me, like subscribe now and I won't say anything. To enter, you must be at least 18 years old or have a parent's permission. I understand if you're not 18, like girl, I am barely 18. I don't want your parents to be mad at me for sending you a gift. This giveaway is international, so wherever you live, as long as your country allows for a package to be sent there from the US, you're Gucci. This is a biggie. The winner must respond to me within 48 hours or I will select a new winner. This is because I've done giveaways in the past and I've had people not respond for like a week and then I'm like, now what? I will be contacting you via direct message on either Instagram or Twitter, depending on whichever handle you leave down below. We'll get to that in a second. So on January 5th, be on the lookout to see if I post your name, and then if I do, check your direct messages. Any messages received before I announce the winners or also not from my account are fake. So don't believe them, they're not me. I'm gonna be sending it from my official account. That's my username. With that being said, you must have access to either a Twitter or Instagram account. I know that's a little bit annoying, but it doesn't even have to be your account. You just have to be able to have access to it, so it can be a friend's or a neighbor's or your mom's or something. I know this is annoying, but in the past I've done giveaways on YouTube and I've contacted the winner through YouTube messages, and pretty much no one responds because no one knows how to check YouTube messages. Honestly, I don't even know if they're still around, so this is just the easiest way for me. If you have questions, let me know. You can ask me them on Instagram or down below and I'll try to respond to you guys, but that's just how it's gonna be. So then to enter, all you have to do is comment on this video and this video only down below your Instagram or Twitter handle. And that's it. If you guys could specify if it's Instagram or Twitter, that would be great. Here's a sample comment of what I'm talking about. That's all you have to say. Please only comment one time with your Instagram or Twitter handle, because otherwise it's just gonna be spam and I'm not gonna pick someone that entered a comment 10 times with their username. You can comment on this video about whatever you want, like normal, but if you're going to enter the giveaway, just enter one comment with your username and I will be randomly selecting using a generator through there. This is my Instagram and Twitter username, so that's where everything's gonna be announced on the 5th of January. Hopefully that was a decent enough explanation. Sorry if it was confusing. Giveaways are just confusing for no reason. I've talked for too long, but you're now well informed. So that's gonna be it for this video. Bye. Actually, thank you again so much. Okay, bye.